Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Hub, and this is the part 3 of prepositional phrases. So let's begin. So the first prepositional phrase in this video is obedient to, means following someone's instructions honestly. Example, be obedient to your teachers. Next, object to, not agree with something. He objected to my proposal. Obliged to, thankful. I am obliged to you for this help. Occur to exist, to happen. An idea occurred to me. Opposite to, in a position on the other side of somebody or something, that is, facing. His house is opposite to the market. Opt for, choose. I opted for an endowment mortgage and lost a lot of money. Opt in, choose to be part or a member of something. If you want them to notify you of updates, you have to opt in. Opt into, choose to be a member or part of something. I opted into the scheme. Opt out, choose not to be part of something. You can always opt out of receiving these emails by contacting the retailer. Pack in, stop doing something. I am trying to pack in smoking. Pack off, send someone away. His boss packed him off to a regional office. Pack out, fill a venue. The stadium was packed out. Pack up, stop doing something. You should pack up smoking. Pad down, sleep somewhere for the night. I am too tired to come home. Can I pad down here tonight? Pad out, make a text longer by including extra content, often content that is not particularly relevant. I couldn't think of much to write, so I padded the essay out with a few lengthy quotes. Pall around, be friendly and spend time with someone. We palled around at university. Pall up, become friends. We palled up when I started working with her. Part from, separate from. I was sorry to part from my friends. Part with, to give up possession or control of something. I can't part with this book. Pass away, die. Sadly, Georgia's uncle passed away yesterday after a short illness. Pass back, return. I felt awful when the teachers started to pass back the exam papers. Pass by, go past without stopping. I was just passing by when I saw the accident. Patch up, fix or make things better. I tried to patch things up after the argument, but they wouldn't speak to me. Pay back, repay money borrowed. I paid back the £20 I had borrowed. Pay off, produce a profitable or successful result. Their patience paid off when he finally showed up and signed the contract. Peel away, leave a group by moving in a different direction. Some of the crowd peeled away to get out of the crush. Peg out, put washing outside to dry. I pegged the washing out after it stopped raining. Phase in, introduce gradually. They are phasing in the reform over the next 2 years. Phase out, remove gradually. They have introduced a compact edition of the newspaper and are phasing out the broadsheet edition over the next few months. Pick at, eat unwillingly. I was not very hungry, so I just picked at my food. Pick up, collect. While you are in the town, can you pick up my trousers from the dry cleaner? Pick out, eat a lot. The food was great, so I really picked out. Pile up, accumulate. Work just keeps on piling up and I really can't manage to get it all done. Pin down, discover exact details about something. The government can't pin down where the leak came from. Pin on, attach the blame to someone. The police tried to pin the crime on him. Pin up, fix something to a wall or other vertical surface with a pin. I pinned the notice up on the board. Pine away, suffer physically because of grief, stress, worry, etc. He has been pinning away since his wife died and is a shadow of his former self. Pipe down, be quiet, often as an imperative. The lecturer asks the students to pipe down and pay attention. Pipe up, to speak, raise your voice. At the first, no one answered, then finally, someone piped up. Pity for, to feel sad for somebody who is suffering or in trouble. Have pity for the poor. Pity on, to feel sorry for someone and try to help them. He took pity on me. Play along, pretend to agree or accept something in order to keep someone happy or to get more information. I disagreed with the idea, but I had to play along because everyone else liked it. Play around, be silly. The children were playing around and being annoying. Play up, behave badly. The children played up all evening and drove the babysitter mad. Pleased with, happy or satisfied about something. The teacher is pleased with her. Plug in, connect machines to the electricity supply. He plugged the TV in and turned it on full blast. Plump down, put something in a place without taking care. He plumped his bag down and kicked his shoes off. Plump for, choose. I plumped for the steak fritters. Point out, make someone aware of something. He pointed out that I only had 2 weeks to get the whole thing finished. Poke about, move things around or search in a casual way to try to find something. I poked about in my CD collections to see if I could find it. Poke around, move things around or search in a casual way to try to find something. I poked around in my desk to see if the letter was there. Polish off, finish or consume. She polishes off half a bottle of gin every night. Polish up, improve something quickly. I need to polish up my French before I go to Paris. Polite too, having good manners and showing respect for others. Be polite to all. Pop in, visit for a short time. He popped in for a coffee on his way home. pop off, talk loudly, or complain. He is always popping off when things don't suit him. Popular with, liked or enjoyed by many people. This teacher is popular with the students. Power up, turn a computer or electronic device on so that it is ready to use. I powered up my laptop and started work. Pray to speak to God in order to give thanks or to ask for help. I pray to God daily. Prefer to, choose something better. I prefer death to dishonor. Preferable to, better or more suitable. Death is preferable to dishonor. Prepare for, to get ready or to make somebody or something ready. Mohan is preparing for the examination. Preside over, to be in a charge of something. Who presided over the meeting? Prevent from, to stop something happening or to stop somebody doing something. He prevented me from going there. Prey to become a victim of someone or something. He fell a prey to bad company. Price up, charge more for something. In rural areas where they have a monopoly, some garages price up fuel because there is nowhere else to buy it. Pride in, the feeling of pleasure because of one's quality. She takes pride in her beauty. Pull ahead, overtake, move in front. The lorry was going slowly, but we managed to pull ahead. Pull out, move into traffic. The traffic was so bad that it took me ages to pull out. Quarrel with, an angry argument or disagreement. Do not quarrel with others over trifles. Recover from, to become well again after illness. He was recovered from illness. Reduced to force somebody or something into a particular state or condition. He was reduced to a skeleton. Regard for, attention to or care for somebody or something. He has no regard for his teachers. Related to, connected with somebody or something. She is related to me. Relief of, the removal or reduction of pain, worry, etc. He was relieved of his duty. Rely on, to depend on someone or something. I rely on your support. Remember to bring somebody or something back into your mind. Please remember me to your father. Remind of, to help somebody to remember something. He reminded me of my promise. Repent of, to feel sorry about something. He repented of his folly. Respect for, polite behavior or care towards somebody or something. He has no respect for his elders. Shock at, feeling that you get when something unpleasant happens suddenly. I was shocked at this sad news. Short of, reduce in amount. We ran short of funds. Sick of, bored with or annoyed by somebody or something. He is sick of his son. Similar to, like somebody or something. This knife is similar to that. Slow at, do something without speed. He is slow at arithmetic. Slow off, mentally dull. He is slow of understanding. Sorry for, feeling bad for doing something wrong. I am sorry for the delay. Stand by, Be loyal to someone in difficult situation. Will you stand by me in trouble? Succeed in to achieve something that you have been aiming for. He succeeded in getting a job. Succeed to have position after somebody else. Akbar succeeded to the throne after Humayun's death. Suffer from to experience physical or mental pain. He suffered from malaria. Superior to higher in position or quality. My cap is superior to yours. Sure of, certain, or having no doubt about something. I am sure of my success. Surprised at, when you feel or find something unexpected. I am surprised at your behavior. Sympathetic to, showing that you understand other people's problems or feelings. This teacher is sympathetic to his students. Sympathize with, to comfort someone who is sad or angry. Always sympathize with the poor. Sympathy for, an understanding of other people's feelings or problems. He has no sympathy for me. Talk to, have discussion with someone. I talked to him about this. Taste for, interest in something. I have no taste for films. Thankful to, pleased with someone for getting help or something. I am thankful to you for your kindness. Tired of, bored with something or someone. I am tired of this type of life. Tired with, no longer wanting to do something. I am tired with the day's work. True to, honest. I am true to my friends. Trust in, believe in someone. Trust in God and do the right. Tyrannize over, dominate. The rich tyrannize over the poor. Useful for, helpful for something. Exercise is useful for health. Useful to, helpful to someone. This book is very useful to me. Want in, inadequate in amount or deficient in something. Your son is wanting in common sense. Warn against, to tell about the danger of something. I warned him against false friends. Warn off, to advise somebody not to do something. He warned me of the danger. Wish for, to hope that something will happen by the power of your thoughts. I wish for your success. So with this video we have completed the prepositional phrases. I hope you have learned and enjoyed these videos. Keep watching the channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.